Yo, let's talk real money moves. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to flip your mindset, literally. Everybody's screaming invest in stocks, buy crypto, but what if flipping $10 into $30 this week is also investing? But hold up, we're not gonna lie like those fake gurus. I'm gonna show you the real math, and still, it's worth it. Here's the problem. We think investing only counts in some app or a retirement account, but you buy a $10 item, flip it for $50. That's a return on your knowledge, your hustle. That's investing. You're not buying stocks, you're buying inventory. You're not hoping the market does something, you're creating the profit. Alright, let's break it down honest style. You buy this vintage hoodie for $10, list it for $50 on eBay. Here's the real breakdown. Cost, $10. eBay fee, $6.45. Processing, $180. Packaging, $1. Total cost, $19.25. Your profit, $30.75. That's a 307% return, not a typo. Show me a stock that gives you that this week. I'll wait. Even paying shipping, you're still looking at 227% return. Now I'm not going to play you. This takes effort, time. You got to source, photograph, list, ship, but that's the point. You're learning skills, building systems. Once you've got sales under your belt, reinvest. More inventory. Throw profit into a Roth IRA. Reselling is your bridge from I'm broke to I'm building wealth. Use that cash to pay off debt, build emergency funds, start investing. Pay off high interest debt, build emergency fund, start investing. Start another business. You're taking back control. If you're tired of waiting for your bank account to magically grow, start here. Resell with purpose. Reinvest with intention. Hit subscribe, drop a comment. Let's grow together. Success is about automating routine, managing important, dominating the future with focused action. Let's get it.